This video is for the explanation of chairman dashboard in our ERP software. So now let's begin with logging in here. So this is the main dashboard of our ERP module. So here you can have an overview of all the attributes in the institution. Like you'll have the count of the students in the institution, like you'll have the count of the faculties in the institution, and you'll have the count of placements given in the institution, and you'll have the current generated revenue of the institution. You'll have the count of the programs in the institution, and you'll have a direct overview of the books available in the general and reservation category in the institution. So to have a detailed view about all these, just click on the detail view here, and here in this student page you can have the list of the students that got admission in the particular batch and particular course in the given date of time, in the given period of time. So first let's select the appropriate option from the drop down. I'm giving the required date here, and click on download. So in this way you are going to download the list of the students who took the admission in the institution. Here you will have the details of the student that who took admission into the institution. You'll have all the details about the level, regulation, course, branch, semester, batch, hall ticket number, admission number, all the details of that student. Here you can also search for a particular student by just giving their roll number. See, these are the details. This is all about the student, like the personal and academic details. So now let's move on to faculty. Here you can have all the details, all the information about the faculty. Just give the department here and click on download. In this way, you're going to download all the faculties in the given department. So these are the details of the all the faculty present in the given department, and all the details about them, like their Aadhaar number, mobile number, address, district, state, experience, and all that. You can also search for a particular faculty by giving their employment ID here. This is the example. You'll have all the details of that employee here. Okay, now let's move on to placements. Here you can check how many placements are given in the how many. Here you can check how many placements have been. Uh, Here you can check how many students got placements in a given program. Just give the program ID here or select the program ID from the drop down and click on download. In this way, you'll have the list of the students who all got placements. Now let's move on to programs. Here you can have the list of the programs present in the given academic year and given degree. So I've gave all the details and click on download. This is the list of the programs present in the given academic year. Now let's move on to revenue. Here chairman can have a detailed information about the revenue generated in the given period of time. First select the details and to which level or course you want to check the revenue of, and select the period of time you want to check the data. So you'll have a graph of the income and expenditure, and you'll have the detailed information about the revenue from where we have generated. Okay, now let's move on to library. Here you can have all the details about the books present in the given category. Just click on download here. So this is the list of the books present in the, like, you'll have the category in which the books are categorized, and you'll have the titles, the author and publisher of that given book. Now let's move on to assign. Here chairman can check the task that has to be completed in the given period of time. I'll give the duration here. Click on download. So in this way you're going to download all the tasks for this date and time. Here I've also got the list. Now let's move on to leave. Here chairman can check who all are on leave in the given period of time. Just give the dates here. And here you can find the list of the employees who are on leave on this given period of time. So let's go back to the dashboard. We have seen all the detailed view of this attributes. Now let's move on to graphical representations of all these attributes. This is the graphical representation of student details. Here we will have the count of total active students, the number of admissions taken from the local, from NRI and the other states, and these are the department-wise admissions graph, and this is level-wise admissions graph. Now let's move on to faculties. Here we'll have the count of faculty, total active faculties, and the faculties in the given departments. Faculties particular to each department. You can also search for any particular by giving the employee ID. These are the details. So let's move on to placements. Here you can have the number of placements achieved by the students. Next, move on to the revenue. This is the revenue generated, and this is the total income and expenditure graph given here. These are the programs in the particular degree and regulation. So here we'll have the details of the publications, details of leaves. We can see here. We can have the numbers of the books available in the general and reservation category here. And here you can find the graph of assigned tasks and their status. Okay, this is it for the dashboard. Now let's move on to all colleges data. Here chairman can have the overview of the data of all the colleges in our organization. Click on each option to find the corresponding details. Okay, now let's move on to assign here. Here chairman can assign tasks. Just click on assign task here. Select the role, select the department, and give the name, email, and date and target date. So here you can select the tasks from the drop down here. These tasks are created by the admin. We have already discussed about that. Just click on the task here. And here give additional notes if required, and click on assign here to successfully assign the task. Now here this is the list of the tasks that are already assigned and the status of that task. So now let's move on to leaves. Here chairman can download the leaves of the taken by the faculty in the given period of time. Just give the required dates. You'll find the list here who about the faculty who all took leaves in that particular period, and you can also download this list by clicking on the download option given here, and you can also search for any particular employee using this search bar given. Now let's move on to circulars. Here faculty can view the circulars. They can also download and print this circular if required. Now let's move on to grievances. Here, faculty can have an overview of about all the grievances created by the students and the faculty. Just click on solved here to view the list of solved grievances, and click on the pending here to view the list of pending grievances. And here in all, you will have the preview of all the solved and pending grievances both. So use the search bar to search for any particular department's grievances. Now let's move on to add new college. Here, if our organization has any new college, you can add the details of that college. Just give the college name, college ID, college URL, and college address, and just save the details. So this is pretty much for the chairman dashboard. These are all the access that chairman have. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.